To begin, you'll want to open up Outlook and select the File option. After selecting File, you'll want to select Add Account underneath Account Information. Once you've done this, enter the name of your email address and then select Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, select Let me set up my account manually and then select Connect. In the Advanced Setup section, select IMAP. We recommend the use of IMAP as it better allows the use of mail across multiple devices, POP being disadvantageous because of the general limitation of the mailbox to one device. After you've selected IMAP, you'll then need to enter the connection details required to connect. Within the incoming server field, enter imap.stackmail.com and ensure that the encryption method is set to SSL. With the encryption method set to SSL, also ensure that your incoming port is set to be 993. Moving on to the outgoing settings, ensure that the outgoing server is set to be smtp.stackmail.com. Again, ensure that the encryption method is SSL and that the outgoing port is set to be 465. After selecting Next, you'll then be prompted to enter the password for the mailbox. Simply enter the password for the mailbox and then press Next. Outlook should then attempt to connect to the mailbox and, all being well, a successful connection should be made, after which Outlook should then begin syncing mail to your local machine.